dot. Next file, page 5 dot. Yes. No, HTML. Page 5 dot HTML. Should be under the which folder? Internal CSS folder. Page 5 dot HTML under the internal CSS folder. Now come to this file. So everyone are following the examples, hopefully. HTML head, style. Now you will open the body tag. Body tag open, body tag close. Body tag open, body tag close. Under the body tag, you will write the UL tag. For this UL, you will keep the li. First, this UL tag keep under the header. Or maybe NAV, there is a tag called NAV. Nav, open and close. And inside the nav, you will keep the UL. Then you will follow the li. Under li, you will follow the key tag. Home. About us. Contact us. Login. Register. Product. Okay, so some menus we added. Okay, get ready. Now after that, copy the same UL and paste after that NAV tag. You will write here H1 UL without nav. UL without nav. This all the li, and this li UL with nav. Content is same, just copy and paste after the nav, only UL part. First to write this, first UL. After writing the first UL section, now you will understand E tag is the part of li, li is the part of UL, and UL is a part of nav. Okay, so nav become the parent tag, UL become the child tag. And for UL, multiple li have the child tags, and for every li, one A tag is there. Okay, rotate HTML. Now below section also you can write. Same UL, copy and paste below. Same UL, you copy from the top, just paste in the down. Okay, coming next to the CSS part. Now write the CSS for A tag. Now write the CSS for A tag. Suppose if I write A, and after that, color of A tag, red, or maybe some other color. Okay, let's keep orange color. Font size of A. The A tag is coming, their font size. Font size 22 pixel. Font size 22 pixel. And underline will also come. So first you run this. Is it getting applied for all the A tag? This becomes CSS by tag name. In current page, wherever the A will come, all the A tag color will be orange and font size will be 22 pixel. Okay. Font size will be 22 pixels. So let me run this file and understand whether happening or not. You can see orange happened, font size 22. But we want a specific A. It should not apply for all the A. It should apply for only those A that is under the li. So all the A is under the li, correct? So here A become the parent tag, sorry, li become the parent tag, and A become the child tab. So it will apply for only those A that is under the li. But if you look into the code, the first you will also have li A, second you will also we have li and A. Then we can say, okay, no problem. Let's follow like this. First, find out the root should be ul. Inside the ul, there should be child called li, and under the li, the child should be A. Then also it will apply for all because you have ul li A both the places, correct? In both the section we have ul li A. Let me save it and run and show you. You can see it's still same in all the places. But our target is it should apply for only the upper A tag, not the bottom A tag. Now look there. In the upper A, you can see A is the part of li is the part of ul, and ul is the part of nav. So we can make nav as a final parent. nav should have the ul should have li, and then only li should have A. Right? It should not apply for those A that is not following this structure. That is not following this structure. So what is the structure? First, there should be nav. Nav should have the ul should have the li, and li should have A. Then only the color should be orange and font size should be 22px.
So if you put array nav by as a parent and then
that is also possible. But A is the part of which one? Li. Correct. So you must have to specify the where is the A. You are searching directly, not indirectly. Now this is not directly, it is indirectly. We are saying each element do have particular, do have particular, do have. So it is going step by step. It is following each parent. Okay. I'll save it and run the page. You can see now. It's happened only for the upper A tag, bottom A tag is normal text. Now, let us remove the underline. So, to remove the underline, you have a property called text hyphen decoration colon none. Text decoration none. Text decoration none will remove the underline. Text decoration none will remove the underline. Underline is gone. Correct. Now let's go. Make the li what is coming in the new line, let's keep in one line. So if you write here li, you cannot write directly li. If you write directly li, then it will happen for all li. We wanted to limit only for those li that is under the nav. So first we'll say nav, then ul after li. Nav ul and then li. Nav ul and then li. Then we can write here display is the property and inline is the value. So it will convert complete from block to inline. After that, you can apply padding inside so that there will be gap surrounding the li, not inside the li, but surrounding the li. Okay. We can write here padding 15px or maybe 20px. Now li will come in one line and it will have sufficient space. See, all are coming in one line. Got sufficient space. It happened only for the first UL, not for the second one. Why? Because second is not following the parent. Now come down. We'll write some CSS for UL tab. Again, NAV space UL. If you write only UL, then UL is 2 times. It will apply for both the UL. So we are writing for those UL that is under the NAV. Background, dark blue, and padding, similar 20 px. Background, dark blue, and padding 20 px. See, background got changed. Only for the first UL, not for the second UL. Let's check. Let's run. See for how many people is running. Right. You should write it. It's important. Okay, running. Okay. This is called CSS for the parent and child. So we can copy this first section and add example in our developer guide. Copy the first section, copy the first ULLI and add in our developer guide as an example. Okay, so hope we added. Save the file. Let's go ahead with the next one. Next, we'll come to the next example. Next example, in developer guide only you write, come in the bottom. You have written the property called margin, right? Margin we have written. We have not made any other example further. Just we saw the 5 ways how we can write it. Yeah. Now let's come down below. Write called padding. Next property called padding. So how many ways we can write the CSS? Total using CSS for tag name, CSS for ID, CSS for class, CSS for tag group, and CSS for parent and child tag. Okay, so these 5 structure market follow. Okay, whichever the library and framework we follow, it will be designed on these 5 methods. Okay, either based on class or based on ID or based on any all method you can follow. Okay. Okay, so moving to the next. Moving to the next, we have a next property called padding. It apply a space inside of tag. It applies a space inside of tag. It has 4 types. If you write only padding, it apply padding. Suppose we write 30 px. It apply gap from all side. Okay, it apply gap from all side. Padding. Then we have called padding hyphen top. It apply gap from top side. Padding hyphen left. It apply gap from the left side. Padding hyphen right. It apply gap from the right side. Padding hyphen bottom. It apply gap from bottom side. Now we can create the next file, padding.html. Under the internal CSS folder. Next file, padding.html under internal CSS folder. Okay, ready? Padding.html. Okay, so write this first. Then you can go to the padding.html. HTML open close. Follow the date section. Next, open the body and close it. Open the style. Close the style. Follow the body. Come inside that. Write the division. Not division. P tag is the right. P tag. Under one P tag, write some text data. ABCD, ABCD, anything you can write. Keep the tag placed in the new line. After that, write here ID equal to something. Block 1. ID equal to block 1. Copy the same, paste again. ID equal to block 2. ID equal to block 1, ID equal to block 2. Okay, next write the CSS for block 1. How to write the ID? As block 1, right inside, background is a red color, margin 30 pixel, height, don't mention, let's mention only width, 200 pixel, and then float as a left, float as a left. Ready? Check now. One block will appear. Something like this. Let's write the CSS for second block also. As block 2. Same code you can keep there also. Same code. You will find two boxes will come one after other with a similar design, similar height width, Similar color combination, similar look. Okay. Now, let us see. You can find a space is there outside, but there is no space inside. Between two blocks, you have the 60 pixel gap. That is because of margin. But inside the block, you can see the content are congested, right? We wanted to give some space inside. That will happen through the padding. So go for second division, second block, and write here called padding. 40 px somewhere. Padding 40 px. Okay. You can see now a space will get applied sufficient inside. So inside space become 40 pixel from all side. Outside space is 30 pixel one and 30 pixel of second. So this is without padding and this is with padding. Okay, without padding and with padding. Okay, fine, working. So margin give a space outside and padding will give the space inside. Padding will give the space inside, margin will give the space outside. Okay. So padding, how many types you have written here? Top, left, right, bottom, everything. Let's come. Create one more block. First paragraph you copy paste. Give ID equal to block 3. 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 Next, after that, go up. Again, one more block you copy paste. Block 2 you can copy and paste. Make block 3. And you will write here background, margin, width, float, padding. Padding you keep only top. Padding hyphen top. 40 px. Padding hyphen top 40 px. So in the block 3, the padding will get applied only from the top side. Rotate, check now. Is the padding only from the top side? Yes, only from the top side. Similar way, we can write left, right, bottom, all the side. Okay. So margin give a space outside and padding give a space inside. Margin give space outside and padding give space inside. Where is that inside and outside? Between two red block, we can see the gap. That is because of margin. And inside one red block, we can see the gap from top. That is because of, yes, that is because of padding. Okay, save now. Let's come again to the next point.
If you want both means padding top and padding left for the pixel.
We have another way. Shortcut, that is called shortcut. Create one more call, block 4. Or Y block 4. In block 3 also we can write padding top, how much he wrote? 40 px. So the shortcut we have, you can write all the padding together or you can write separate also. Now we wrote padding top 40, padding right you can write as a 50. Let me write like this. Suppose I can write here padding right as a somewhere called 60. So from top 40 pixel and from right 60 pixel. Check now happening. Now after that, another method I'll guide you. Create another block, block 4. Create another block called block 4. First HTML you create block 4. HTML block 4. Okay. Now come to the CSS part. Block 3 you can copy, paste again. Make it a block 4. After that, remove the padding. And add here one padding. Inside you will write from top 30 pixel, from left right 70 pixel, from bottom your wish. So 3 number is there. The first number reflect from the top, second number reflect in the left right, last number reflect in the bottom. So this line will say padding top 30, padding left 70, padding right 70, padding bottom how much? 80. This is called shortcut, short code. This method is called short code. Save now. Sequence happening from top 30, left right 70, and bottom as a 80. Right? Check once.
So if we give 4, then it's
Left, right, first, left, second, right. Give some different number. First, what you are given? Give 40. Second, you give 70. Then see where it's reflect. 70 px. Short code is for 3 number only. Reflect happening like this. Stop how much? 30. Right?
so in the top left, then bottom in right.
Clockwise. Like this. Top. Then this is not left. This is the right.
Sorry, top right, bottom left.
Top, right, bottom, left. This is where increase the content, then we will come to know. Clockwise it should work. Start from top. Equal now. Let's increase little. How much you are given here? 70 you are given, no? This is the 80, right? Make this one as a 120. Then it will reflect properly. $30, then 40, 70, then 120. Clockwise. If 3 number it will give, the middle will reflect in the left and right. Last will reflect in the bottom. Okay, sequence. It is top, right, bottom, and left. Top, right, bottom, and left. If you write like this line will be commented line. If you write like this, then it says top 30, left, right 70, bottom is a 120. Okay, I'll write here what is the direction. Top, then left, right, after that bottom. In this is work like is a clock. Top, left, right, bottom. Okay, go for the next property now. In developer guide, you can write the next one related to border. BORDER, border. Border you can apply through multiple way. So below first to write type of border. Type of border. What are we have? We have one called solid. Next we have called dotted. Next we have called dashed. Solid, dotted, dashed. Next we have called double. Next we have inset, outset, inset, outset, reach, group, 2, 4, 6, 8. So each type of border you have. Next you have direction of the border. Direction of border. Direction of border we have direction of border we have only border that represent all side. Then border hyphen top only from top side. Border hyphen bottom side. Border hyphen left from left side. Border hyphen right from right side. Top, bottom, left, right. Next, we will write one example. Like border colon 10px double red color. So it's need 3 parameter as a value. First is the thickness of the border. Second is the color of the border. Okay, second is the color of no. The number can be the parameter what we are written. It's not like fixed position. It can be anywhere. But one should be thickness, second should be type, and third should be color. Okay, now create a file. So hope we have written this. Type of border, direction of the border, as well as one example. Write the file border.html. Border.html. Okay, start from the HTML. Follow the body tag, not body head. First we can follow. A style we can follow. Then body we can follow. Right. Now write a division. Write ID equal to block 1. Keep inside call solid. Solid. Next, dotted. Third, dashed. Solid, dotted, dashed. Then next is called double. Then inset. After that, outset. Outset. Then ridge. Groove. Ridge and groove. Now we need to write the CSS for all the ID. Block 1. Write the CSS as block 1. Give some certain height and width. Height 200 pixel. Width 250 pixel. Margin 30 pixel. Then float left. Then border 10 px. Solid red color. Height, width, margin, float and border. for block 1. Check now. Border is coming. Something like this. 10 pixel. Let's increase the border little to 20 pixel. So type of border will be visible properly. Dotted how, dashed how. Okay, 20 pixel solid, red color, something like this. Check now. One division is working. One block, right? Now same block we need to copy and paste and change the border style. Border style solid you have given. Next we will write dotted. Next we will write called dash. Then double. Something like that.
Sir, border width is included within width or is it separate?
Border will be separate.
Okay, so it's like 250 plus 20 like that,
Plus
right?
20 from left, 20 from right.
Hmm.
Then 20 from top, it will get added in the height also. Height and width will get increased by number of pixels we have added inside the border.
Okay, and after border 20 pixel, again margin 30 pixel will come.
Yes, yes, left side and right side. So to run this division, you need 250 pixel width as well as 40 pixel border. So we come as a 290 plus 30 pixel in the left and 30 pixel in the right. 60 pixel. Okay, so total 350 pixel is required to run this division. Okay, same division copy paste, change is a block 2. Block 2, solid change to something else, dotted. Dot 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 will come. Same division, not division, same CSS block, we can copy and paste. We can change it block 3. Dashed. Like dash 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 will appear photo frame. Something like this. Check now, 3 blocks would appear. Okay. Next, after that, let's go for the border. Block 4. Block 4. Height, width, margin. This we can write as a double. So in 20 pixel double line will come. In 20 pixel double line will come. Inset will be little different. You can copy and paste below. Five. Double will change to the inset. Inset. Check inset how it look. Upper portion will be dark and bottom portion will be light. Inset. Outside will be reverse. Upper will be light, bottom will be dark. Let's write the sixth one. According to a space, only the number of block will come. If a space is less in your screen, the number of block will be outside. Less, if a space will be more, number of block will be more. Because to run one division, need 350 pixel. See, outside is something like this. A space from the dark in the bottom, light on the top. Next we have called groove. Next we have called seventh one. Groove. Inside, outside, groove. Groove, how it look? Okay, 3D. This should be a groove. Let me write here release only. Reach. Then groove. Eight one groove. Inside, outside, groove. In that also some difference would be there. What is difference? Okay. In this case, some kind of dark point is there on the top, and in this case, some dark point is in the bottom. Okay. If I reduce my window size, I will also get 3 only. So that is based on your screen size. See, 3 is coming for me. Screen is bigger, so 4 will come. If screen is more bigger, 5 will come. Screen is larger than large, then all will come in one line. If a screen is very small mobile phone, only one will come in one line. Float left you have written. Float left will adjust automatically according to available space. Okay, so this is called border. Next, we need to see another property called width. How many way you can write the width. Then after that, we'll see how many way we can write the height. Let's go to the next file. Create the file width.html. 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 Here also HTML we can open, close, hit open, close. A style also open, close. Body we can open, close. Next, after that, follow one p tag. Inside the p tag, you write any text. Let's keep more text. Okay. Keep more text in one p tag and give ID equal to anything, message, ID equal to message. Okay, rotate. Now let's come to the CSS part. Write a hash message. For this message, give the width. Margin auto you write first. Auto. What represent? It represent this should be in the middle of the screen. And write the width 1500 px or maybe 1000 px. Background padding also apply 30-40 pixel, and then you can write margin, width, padding, background. Check now. So it is going to take total 1000 pixel space. Where? In the middle of the screen. So a screen is big size, 1000 pixel is okay, it's fitting in the middle. But what will happen if anyone will open in mobile phone? If anyone will open in mobile phone, condition will be like this. You can see a scroller will come in the last. And to read entire content, the person has to scroll right and the person has to scroll left. He has to do left and right, left and right. Okay. Scroll he has to do left and right.
Sir, what margin auto did here? Margin auto.
We have discussed here. It align element in the center of present area.
Okay.
Okay. Remove margin auto. You will come to know it will come in the left side. Next, after this, you remove one margin, no? You will come to know where is reflect. Margin auto, you remove once. Margin auto align in the center of present area. Margin auto. It has multiple types. Margin left, right, top, bottom. But when we write margin auto, first it will check how much space is required. Okay. After that, after checking the space, suppose you have written the 1000 pixel. So it needs 1000 pixel space to run. Now, where you are printing, it will check the area of total screen, suppose 2000 pixel. Total screen, suppose 2000 pixel. Then 2000 minus 1000. Total space minus required space. Total screen width is 2000. In that division need 1000 pixels. So 1000 pixel minus remaining 1000 pixel will divide by 2. Half in the left and half in the right. Okay, that's how the margin auto work. Margin auto work like it will check the how much space is required for the current element. Then it will check the window size or current area size, the total area minus required area, total width minus required width, available width divided by 2, half in the left and half in the right. Okay, that's how we will be learning all. Vinay, keep some patience. Step by step all will come.
We make photo.
We have option. First check this and understand the problem. So after looking into this, what problem we understood? If a screen size is bigger, then it will fit properly. If screen size is smaller, then scroller will come. That is called as a non-responsive, not responsive. Okay, your page is not responsive. Now go here, instead of 1000 pixel width, we can't estimate the user computer size. They can run at any device, right? So, but whichever the device they will run, every device width will be 100%. My screen is also width 100%, your screen width is also 100%. If you calculate based on percentage, it will reflect equal in all the device. Okay, now suppose we go here and we write 70% as a width, right? It will present same in my system and it will present same in your system. If anyone will open in mobile phone, in that also it will display the 70%. But again, we have next media query to handle the other condition. But now we are understanding the pixel and percentage. Okay, pixel means how much fixed, percentage means according to a screen. How much is a screen? In that it will take, right? So we have here width is 100%, in that is taking 70% and 15% in the left and 15% in the right. If I increase the width a little, what width you increase no matter, in all the screen width, it need only 70%. That is called which one? Percentage. But if it is a pixel, then it will be fixed always. In all the device, it will remain same. Right, you saw? That is called pixel. We can write the width using for method. By default is auto only. By default is auto. If your tag is block level element, it will take full width. That is a width auto. If tag is inline, still width is auto. It will take according to content. Now width you will implement using one you saw in pixel, another you saw in percentage. But when the media query will come to design a responsive page, we need to check the user has opened the page, what is his device, a small device or large device. So at that time, we required a range to check. Or we will be writing the condition for a range pixel, like 500 pixel to 800 pixel, or maybe 1 pixel to 500 pixel mobile phone, 500 pixel to 800 pixel tab, 800 pixel to 1000 pixel medium, you can say mini laptop, 1000 pixel to more than that large device, correct? So, yes, we have to write different CSS for all device. There we will write a mean width and max width. Mean width 1 pixel, max width 500. Then okay, mobile phone. Now write some CSS for mobile phone. Okay. Mean width 500 1 pixel to max width 800. Become as a tab. Write some CSS for the tab, right? So you will go to the developer guide. Those we are going to write under the, once you come to the media query. You have written somewhere width. Width we have written. You can write here, one you follow width in pixel. You can write it is fixed. Another one you wrote width only in percentage. Percentage. You can write based on a screen. Width. It will fit according to the screen width. Another one we have called minimum width. That you can write in pixel also. You should write in pixel only. Percentage will not be valid for the minimum width. Okay, write for max width. We will implement the time, we will spend the time and we'll implement it once we come under the media query while designing the responsive page. 3 type of height also we have, that we'll see in the next class tomorrow. Yeah, okay then, see you tomorrow. Okay, fine then.